grade 6. Today we are going to learn the same lesson. We are going to continue what we have started before. The lesson is about electromagnetic waves. I know this video is recorded because sometimes some technical problems happens. Now we are going to summarize the lesson and record the lesson again. First, we should learn what we are going to do through this lesson, or what we are going to learn after this lesson. Number one, recognize the concept of electromagnetic waves. Number two, determine what does electromagnetic waves consist of. Explain electromagnetic radiation. Compare between polarized light and unpolarized light. Explain photoelectric effect. Before starting, we are asking ourselves this question. The question is, do we use any electromagnetic waves now? The answer is yes. The cell phone that you are using, or any device that is connected to the Wi-Fi, the lights that enable us to see, they are all kinds of electromagnetic waves. In order to understand what are electromagnetic waves, we should answer these questions. How are electromagnetic waves different from mechanical waves? We have studied mechanical waves and we said they need medium to travel. Also, we said sound is a longitudinal type of mechanical waves. But electromagnetic waves does not need a medium to travel. Electromagnetic waves are all transverse kind. There is no longitudinal one. Electromagnetic waves are produced when an electric charge vibrates or accelerates, while mechanical waves are produced when an object or a material vibrates. Here we speak about electric charge, electromagnetic waves. It's called by electric charge vibration. Electromagnetic waves can travel through vacuum or empty space. We said before the mechanical wave cannot travel unless there is a medium, and the medium is a material through which it can pass like solid or liquid or gas. So what is electromagnetic wave? They are transverse waves that made up of two fields, mechanical field and electric field. How they produced, as we said, we have two fields, electric field and magnetic field. These two fields regenerate each other and move with each other with the same speed. Now we can see this diagram representing the electromagnetic wave. We have two fields. This one represents the magnetic field and the other one represents the electric field. How? They are changing each other, its places, and also they moving perpendicular to the line of propagation. This plane represents the magnetic field and this plane represents the electric field, and both are perpendicular to each other and to the line of propagation. They travel by the speed of light in vacuum. It's a very high speed. So what is the speed of light? The maximum speed of light in vacuum is about 300,000 kilometers per second. It's a very high speed comparing to sound. In order to understand the electromagnetic wave, we'll take an example as light. But we found out that light has two models or two natures, wave nature and particle nature. Wave nature will explain some behavior of the electromagnetic wave, and particle nature will explain some behaviors of electromagnetic wave. So we give it name as dual nature. It has two natures, not one nature. First of all, what is the wave nature? The wave nature explains how light can be polarized. This is light, but when light passes through a polarizing filter, it becomes polarized. This is unpolarized light. It's made of all light, all parts. This polarized light made up of only a few parts of light. Why? Because the polarized filter is made up to have tiny slits. This is called slits, it's very tiny. So we have these slits. These slits will allow some light to pass and prevent the other. The light that passes will give it the name as polarized light. This is the nature of light as a wave. While the nature of light as particles, it means that light is made up of tiny packets of energy, each one called photon. When this photon strikes a piece of metal that contains electrons, the electron can absorb this amount of light and knock out or move. The knocking out of electron because of absorbing the photons, which is made up of light and contain amount of energy, they give it a name as electrophoton effect. Okay. This shows us how an electron can emit or move away. Okay, this is the light, and each arrow represents a photon, and this is a piece of metal. Wave of particle. So now we said which nature light have. Actually, both natures or both models help us to understand the behavior of electromagnetic waves at the same time. This is the assessment that we are solving together in the live stream. And don't forget to solve your homework and send it. You will find the homework in person site. Thank you.